In the next two videos, I want to show you about was and where, two very important words, and how in the negative the T disappears. Let's go. So our basics, the verb to be, am is are, and in the past it's two words, was and where. I, he, she, it was, you, we, they, where. Easy, right? So the S sounds like a Z. Was. Not was, but was. Okay? This is important for later, for the wasn't. So I, he, she wasn't, as in the was not, wasn't okay, wasn't busy, interested, curious, a simple adjective. Or we can see this with a past tense or with a verb, continuous verb in the past. He or she wasn't doing it, wasn't going there, wasn't buying it, etc. So was not becomes wasn't. So the S is like a Z, wasn't. And then wasn't becomes wasn't. I wasn't. She wasn't. It's the N sound. The T silent. So the wasn't. Okay? He or she wasn't busy. Wasn't interested. So pause, listen, and repeat. He wasn't ready. Of course you can say he wasn't ready, but it's easier to say he wasn't ready. He wasn't ready. He or she wasn't doing it, wasn't buying. I wasn't talking. So let's train. Now remember, it's the S like a Z, disappearing T, N, wasn't. Ready? Pause, listen, and repeat. It was not really important. It wasn't really important, which becomes it wasn't really important. It wasn't really important. She was not interested in doing it. She wasn't interested in doing it. And she wasn't interested. So interested in. She wasn't interested in doing it. Almost the G in doing as well. She wasn't interested in doing it. He was not there when I arrived. He wasn't there when I arrived. And he wasn't there when I. He wasn't there when I arrived. He wasn't there when I arrived. That was not my fault. That wasn't my fault. That wasn't my fault. That wasn't my fault. It was not an easy decision. It wasn't an easy decision. And it wasn't an easy decision. She was not very busy. I do not know why she did not do it. She wasn't very busy. I don't know why she didn't do it. So a little faster. She wasn't very busy. I don't know why she didn't do it. She wasn't very busy. I don't know why she didn't do it. She wasn't very busy. I don't know why she didn't do it. So this ends our video about was, wasn't, and wasn't. Join me in the next video where I will show you about where not and where'n. Ready? I'll see you there.